Experiencing problems sending texts on your Tesco Mobile iPhone or Android device? There are two key culprits: SMSC settings and RCS. SMSC, or Short Message Service Center, is the network's hub for routing SMS messages. If it's misconfigured, for example, with an incorrect number like 44782000332, your texts might get stuck. On iPhones, accessing SMSC settings is tricky but possible via hidden menus, while Android users can find them within APN settings or by dialing 4636 TAC for diagnostics. Resetting to default or manually entering the correct SMSC number is often the fix. The second factor is RCS, Rich Communication Services. This is the successor to SMS, offering richer messaging over Wi-Fi or mobile data. If RCS is enabled, try toggling it off and on again in your messaging app settings. This forces a refresh and can clear any glitches preventing SMS from working, which is a common fallback when RCS has issues. By default, if RCS is enabled, it overrides SMS. Let's walk through practical troubleshooting steps. First, restart your device to clear any temporary software glitches. Next, toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your network connection. If that doesn't work, reset your network settings entirely. Now, dive into SMSC settings to ensure they are correct for Tesco Mobile. Finally, toggle RCS off and then back on in your messaging app, usually found in settings under RCS chats or similar. This sequence fixes the vast majority of texting issues. Looking ahead, the trend is shifting from SMS to RCS, and if you are using RCS, you won't be using SMS, so it is worth it to troubleshoot that issue first. However, you should still try the steps outlined previously. By 2027, RCS might replace SMS entirely, potentially eliminating SMSC-related problems. Keep your messaging apps updated to benefit from the latest fixes and improvements. If problems persist, contact Tesco Mobile support via their app or call 0344 324 9222 for remote diagnostics.